Right, so this one refers to this chart at the back for answering. And it says, which 3 states have the highest number of electors per person? So if this question is given on an exam, we use the same table, although it could be updated in future years. But we want to know the highest number of electors per person, and then we just look and say, oh, it looks like Alaska with 40. Nobody else has 40. Oops, Wyoming. Okay, so 51 is really high. I'm seeing a 37, but I'm not really sure if that's high. 40 is really high. 44 is really high. So the question is there any number here higher than 40 except those 3? I'm going to look to see if there's any ones that I'm missing. Those are those. So Wyoming, followed by Alaska and DC. Wyoming, Alaska, and DC. And which states have the lowest number per person? So let's take the lowest possible number here. I see a 13. Texas is definitely one of the ones. Okay, so Texas is definitely one. I'm pretty sure California is one of them. Aha, 14. Now, can we find anything in the 13 or 14 range? Anything that's smaller than 13 or 14? There's a 13.3, oh sorry, 14.3. Is there anything smaller than 14.3? I don't see anything smaller than 14.3, except for 13.8 and 14.05. So I would say the one that's smallest, okay, so this is Texas, California, Florida. Texas, California, Florida. Texas, California, and Florida. Smaller states tend to have more electors per person. And you can just see, looking at this, these guys are smaller than these guys. By what factor is the number of electors for North Dakota larger than that of Virginia? So we're comparing North Dakota versus Virginia. North Dakota versus Virginia. So you just divide these two numbers. So you just go like this. You say 39.6339 is probably good enough. 15.50759 is 2.556. But you write down your calculations up here, not down below. Unless you want to include both papers with your exam submission. We're comparing now Wyoming versus California. Wyoming versus California. Okay, so we're going to divide, let's see, California is 14.05. And let's see, Wyoming 51.185. So we have 51.185 divided by 14.05. Whoops. $3.643. Okay, that's it.